TH digraph with rekill. T says T, H says H. When they meet together, they are making two different sounds. One is soft sound, that is T, T. Another one is hard sound, that is the. So TH has two sounds, th and the. First, we'll start with soft TH sound. TH thumb, thumb. TH thunder, thunder. TH three, three. TH thorn, thorn. TH thread, thread. TH thrusty, thrusty. TH think, think. Soft TH sound at the end of the word. TH path, path. TH cloth, cloth. TH north, north. TH south, south. TH math, math. TH teeth, teeth. TH earth, earth. Let's read along with me the hard TH sound. The. TH this, this. TH that, that. TH these, these. TH those, those. TH they, they. TH there, there. Let's read TH hard sound in the middle and at the end of the word along with me. TH father, the father. TH mother, the mother. TH brother, the brother. TH weather, the weather. TH gather, the gather. TH smooth, the smooth. Thank you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.